Hello, manufacturing enthusiasts. Let's talk about a transformative tool that's reshaping the manufacturing world: value stream mapping in LeanSixSigma. Imagine having a blueprint that not only outlines every step of your manufacturing process, but also pinpoints areas for improvement. That's exactly what value stream mapping offers: a visual representation that reveals inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and waste. But it's not just about mapping, it's about action. Value stream mapping empowers teams to collaborate, innovate, and drive change. By streamlining workflows, reducing cycle times, and enhancing quality, companies can achieve remarkable results. Furthermore, value stream mapping fosters a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging organizations to challenge the status quo and pursue excellence relentlessly. It aligns teams, processes, and goals, ensuring that every effort contributes to delivering superior value to customers. Join the movement, harness the power of value stream mapping, and transform your manufacturing journey into a story of innovation, efficiency, and unparalleled success.